All right, happy homeowners. Happy homeowners. Ryan Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Hey, today we're going to talk about a recoat of finish. Used to call it screening coat. Some people still do, but it's how to take care of your floor, make it last forever. What happens when your floor is too thin, it can't be sanded, all of that stuff. Let me show you, turn this around, show you what we got going on. So I came over here to make this video for you guys, but this floor is engineered. Here's some of the pieces. They thought they were going to need to repair a couple. This section we could have sanded and stained it. They like this color. There's enough wear layer on top. We could have sanded this and restained it, refinished it, made it brand new again. But if you look at it, it's not in bad shape. It's in really good shape actually. It's just got some wear areas. They had this put in later, doesn't match. They would have loved to have sanded this down, made it match this one. Not enough wear layer on this. And this is his office. The desk sits over here. You can't see it now, but this is where the chair used to be and rolled around. There was a lot of chipped up boards, a lot of deep scratches and stuff. But what we do is we come in, because this is a factory pre-finished floor. So we do a deep chemical clean with the Bona prep, and then we use the Bona traffic. This one's going to be semi-gloss. I would prefer satin, but they want a little bit of sheen. So we do the deep chemical clean with that Bona prep several times, just getting any of the junk. It loosens up the finish. Then we do a real light sanding, just an abrasive, so that the new finish sticks to it. We clean it up really good. Over here was another area they thought they wanted to change the boards. This is where the dog's bowl sits, and just splashes water everywhere. But it's solid. Listen to this. That's solid as ice. Right here you can kind of see. Yeah, there it is. But from here, so we sanded that down, restained the areas. I told him, I'll change the boards, I'll take your money. But if it was my house, I wouldn't change the boards. This is all glued down, interlocking, tongue and groove. You only want to change the boards if it's positively, absolutely necessary. If it's delaminating, if it's dark, ugly spots, pet urine or something. But those aren't that bad. By the time we restained them like that, get the finish on it, you'll never see it. So don't put all of these polyurethane floors. You should never have to mop anything on it. Don't listen to these crazy ass commercials. Don't use these steam cleaners on them. You just want to dust mop it. You're just keeping the dust off of this. The Swifters are great. The wet Swifters, the dry Swifters. Bona has a good cleaner. I used to recommend them, but they also have a couple of products that will ruin your floor, so I quit recommending them. Loba, I love that Loba finish. They have a great cleaner. I'm a huge fan of a cup of distilled vinegar and a gallon of water. You just never want to soak the floor with water. You want it to evaporate real quick. So this is ready. Guys are just waiting for me to finish this video so they can come in here and start mopping on that Bona traffic. 2-part. You put that hardener in there. That's the same finish that we use at the Getty Museum off of the 405 freeway near Westwood in Santa Monica. Look it up. Getty Museum. All right, guys. Let me get out of here so these guys can get busy. Any questions about this whole light sanding, screening coat, a new coat of polyurethane, reach out to us. Thanks, guys.